Check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. We are deep in Chengdu, Sichuan, and I'm so pumped because today we're going for a huge Dan Dan noodle tour and Sichuan noodle tour. We're going deep.
If you like spicy Sichuan noodles, you found the right video. Because today, we're bringing you to eat 4 different variations of Chengdu Dan Dan noodles, deep in the back streets of Chengdu, China. And if you watch all the way until the end, we're bringing you into the back of a Sichuan kitchen to watch how the best bowl of noodles in Chengdu is made. Let's eat.
We're in a little alleyway here and we're going to a place I've heard is really good, Da Wan Mian. Literally means big noodle bowl. Right here. Oh yeah. And you can see people are just eating right outside, slurping. This is gonna be good. This looks awesome. Wow, look at all the action. 你好。
你好。
可以吃2两素椒勺子吗？
可以。
可以吗？
可以。
太棒了。
辣椒可以吃吗？
辣椒。
可以吃吗？
可以可以。
10块钱。
谢谢你。
不用。
Awesome. 可以看这个吗？
啊？
可以看这个吗？
可以看。
Oh, look at this, guys. Look at the cauldron of noodles in the back. All of these fresh noodles in Sichuan. Wow. There's nothing better. And they're just scooping on the cowpeas right on top. Oh, 还有勺子. So you can see they put soy sauce, salt, MSG. It's all in there. Chili oil, of course. And then they load the noodles on top. 谢谢你. Oh, 好好. 谢谢你. Oh, how? Look at these noodles. It's all about, oh, look at all that chili oil. Oh, wow. And jiangdou. So there's chili oil and cowpeas. Lots of that ground pork shaozi. Oh, this is just a wonderful day of eating Sichuan noodles. Mix up that chili oil, soy sauce, vinegar combo with the cowpeas, the ground pork. Gotta get every noodle covered in it. 好吃吗？
好吃。一个来个蔬菜汤嘛。
蔬菜对。
我也来个蔬菜汤。
哦哦，好好。
3块钱啊。
好好。哦，谢谢你。
不行。
啊。
你这不用3块哈。好的。
谢谢你。
不行。
Oh, and we just got some vegetable soup too. They just look beautiful. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Mmm. 好吃的。Oh, oh wow. These ones are so thick. That chili oil and the pork sauce mixed make it a thick pastiness. There's actually a bit of a smokiness in there as well. I think those chilies are a little smoky. That is amazing.
Next up, we found another amazing bowl of zhajiang noodles, deep in another old alleyway of Chengdu, and full of spice-packed chili oil.
We're going for noodles all day today, guys, and right here is a little alleyway full of little noodle stalls, and we're just gonna pick one and try it out. 你好，这个是你的面吗？
对，就是我的面。
你有什么面？
我有，你看，这下面。
哦，牛肉面。哪一个最辣的？
这个面最辣的。最
四川的味道。
炸酱面嘛。
炸酱面。
对。
好，我吃一个炸酱面。
你吃几两啊
？2两。2两，
塑料炸酱嘛。
对。So this is just a local little noodle joint in an alleyway, and we're gonna get the zhajiang mian, more Dan Dan noodle style Sichuan noodles. Oh, 那个是什么酱？芝麻酱。Oh, look at all the sesame paste. 还有那个绿色的是什么？那个绿色的是什么？
蒜。
哦，蒜。
大蒜。
Oh, garlic and a little Sichuan peppercorn 酱油嘛。还有油。Oh, and then this is the real secret here. The Sichuan 红油。这个辣椒有很多香料吗？
非常多。
哦，那个大的是什么？那个？
这是草果。
草果。
香果草果。
Oh wow, there's so many. Oh, 还有芭蕉 and star anise. 还有芝麻。
芝麻。
Wow, it's just full of 很漂亮。Beautiful. 这个是做面的地方。
对，做面的地方。
啊，太好了。And it's just all about the pure oil and chili on the bottom. The green onions, the chili oil. There's a bit of sesame butter in there, but really the chili oil is different everywhere. Oh, beautiful. Boiling them in the cauldron. Wow, 太漂亮. Look at that. And now they're gonna go add ground pork on it. 这个是江豆嘛？ Oh, the cow peas. 哦，然后你们的勺子对吗？哦，自己的勺子。
全是好肉。
哦，四川的炸酱面。
全是猪。
全是猪啊。
猪的这个肉。
谢谢你。
没事。
So we're a little early, but this place gets packed at lunchtime. Look at that. This one looks like they put a really generous portion of that sesame butter in the bottom. Oh, wow. Mixing those up. One of the most beautiful things you'll see in Sichuan. All of that beautiful chili oil, that really spice-packed, flavor, aromatic spice-packed chili oil. 般应该好吃一点，对吗？
哦，对对对对对。
哦，这个是很香的。
对。
这个很香的，你们放了很多芝麻酱。
芝麻酱也有。
Ah, it's one of the best things about Sichuan is the variety of different zajang noodles you can find here, and we are just eating so many bowls today. Oh. Oh yeah. 好吃的很。Oh, this one is just so, it really has that rich sesame butter flavor. So it's a little nutty, but spicy. And also the pork, the shaozi they put on there. Oh, it has a rich pork aroma. Definitely strong and spicy and silky and a bit of a crunch from the cowpeas.
Next up, before going to my home-based noodle joint and getting a lesson in the back kitchen with a huge wok full of spicy ground beef, we're trying out one more variation of dan dan noodles and hot chili oil dumplings at a joint that's always busy for lunch in the back streets of Chengdu.
Right up here, there's a little noodle stall, and we're gonna go see what they got and order up a bowl. 你好。哦，这个是面对吗？
面。
哦，太棒了。你们有什么面？
要啥子嘛？
我应该吃什么面？
吃炸酱面嘛。
炸酱面。哦，好。
要不辣椒？
可以。我要本地的味道。
好，本地的。
吃2两炸酱面嘛？
对，要得做嘛。
还有1两饺子。
好。
好。哦，这个是炸酱面。哦，香料。哦，听得懂。哦， so it's chili oil, soy sauce. 那个是辣椒油对吗？
对。
还有酱油。哦，芽菜 ，pickled mustard greens. 哦，太棒了。These are our noodles. 这个是我们的面吗？哦，太棒了。And they're gonna top it with the shaozi here.
要不要油？
可以一点。好。
油多了不好吃。
Oh, that's the ground pork. And adding a little oil. Doesn't that look insane? That's beautiful.
顶成11个。
哦，太美了。
好，顶成11。
这个要加时拌，
哦
它香料才会转，
哦
这样才好吃。
要快的拌哦，不
它
要
不然就憨了，一会儿就起冰冰了。
哦，明白了。要拌，拌有好的味道，对吗？
对对，越拌得好越好吃。
哦，四川的炸酱面，
对
这个跟担担面很相似的嘛？
对对对
差不多一样，对吗？
对，
哦，我要拌这个。
哦也要拌，加油拌，它
这个
才好吃。
这个是猪肉饺子，对吗？
猪肉饺子
有韭菜？
没有，净肉。
哦，都是肉。
嗯。
Oh, that just looks
来
so
尝一
beautiful.
尝
谢谢你。
不用。
Oh, look at these. Awesome. These are zhong shui jiao. So they've got soy, chili oil, oh, and garlic. That just looks insanely delicious. And then we've got mixed noodles, dandan noodles, zajang noodles. She mixed these up for me. Isn't that incredibly beautiful? Mmm. Oh, they're so friendly. 很好吃的。
好吃就对。
太好了。哦，那个肉，那个勺子，还有那个红油一起的。
不一样，
哦
味道不一样。
不一样。
那个味道也不一样，这个味道也不一样。
不一样。
对。
这个有那个酸的味道。
对，有糖有水。
有一点糖。对，太好吃了。做这个辛苦吗？还是辛苦吗？
多早就起来了？
哦，
这个肯定辛苦。
4点钟嘛。
就起来。
哦
早上
准备做。
准备做料，馅料。
哦， 辛苦了，
要挣钱的嘛，
挣钱
挣钱都辛苦，
啊
你挣钱是辛苦。
啊！但是人们很喜欢，应该让你很开心，对吗？
对的。
很开心。
开心。
谢谢你们，
好，
好，
谢谢你，
下次见，
下次见，
好好，拜拜。
拜拜。
For our final meal, we went for the ultimate bowl of Sichuan noodles, right in my favorite neighborhood noodle joint that makes a mean bowl of red braised beef noodles, dry style, with pickled chilies and their super fragrant ground beef. And we got super lucky and got invited right into the back kitchen to watch them being made.
All right, guys, we are now in my local neighborhood. All of these shops have every variety of Sichuan food you can dream of. But there's one, my local noodle joint, my go-to noodle joint that we're gonna go into, say hi to our friends, and have a bowl. Here it is. Oh, and they're making the shaozi right now. 你好。哦，你们正在做shaozi吗？
现在那个电油把那个花椒弄好。
哦，这个是花椒油吗？这个是花椒油是用作什么？
就青花椒，就其他的
这个是
那种麻香味儿。
这个是放在面里面对吗？
那放在里面炸一下。
哦，太香了。So these are the green Sichuan peppercorns, and they put those into the noodles, and it gives it a slight numbing, florally kick.
就是那个，
Oh,
这个调料里面。
so these are all the tiao liao.
对。
Oh, 这个嘛 and that's the one they're making with fresh green Sichuan peppercorns. Oh, it really has a rich, florally.
这个炸过了就不要了。
Oh, 不要了. A rich florally aroma. These are the xiaomi la, spicy Sichuan chilies. These are fresh, not dried, and they just top those right on top of the noodles. 这个是放在面上面，对吗？一点点。And we are just starting to make the shaozi. 做shaozi，这个是牛肉对吗？
对。
Oh, so we're making the ground beef shaozi, which they add on top of the noodles. Oh, 放在那个油对吗？
对。
Oh wow, 很多牛肉。
打成颗粒。
然后你们用一样的油是用花椒做的对吗？
对。这油啊。
所以那个牛肉应该有一点点花椒的味道对吗？
对，清香的味道。姜。
哦，这个是姜吗？
对，姜去腥味。
Oh, so this is the 香料，很多香料，姜 ginger. Oh wow, tons of ginger. Oh yeah, and then a little bit of
平平的。
那个是
胡椒面。
胡椒面。Oh, look at all that dried chili flake. We're gonna put all of that, or at least a lot of that, into the shaozi. Oh, 太好了. Look at all of that. Wow. Beautiful. 很多辣椒. Oh, that is gonna make it even more aromatic. There we go. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, 这个是牛肉天堂。牛肉的天堂。
这是美味的天堂。
美味的天堂。Oh, 要再加一点吗？Oh, and we're adding another batch. Wow. Oh, 很多了. Isn't that beautiful? It's just such a dark red, rich ground beef. Oh, that is so rich. All the chili, all the xiangliao. So we're gonna make our bowl now. 有一点味精对吗？对。Little bit of MSG on the base. Oh, a little chicken stock, chicken powder. Oh, 酱油 soy sauce. Wow. Oh, 这个是花椒油吗？对。Oh, and that's the real beauty, the Sichuan peppercorn oil. We watched them make that. A little bit of Thai. Look at that. Right on top. Oh, 这个是泡椒吗？ Oh, pickled chili. A little bit of tong. And then 香菜对吗？ Cilantro.
好了，转场，他给你弄现场的哈。
And we're gonna add the fresh, incredibly fresh Schnauze. What we just made. Oh, full of oil as well. Spicy, fragrant oil. 哇，太好了。哦，谢谢你。这个是红烧牛肉。
红烧牛肉这个是。
太棒了，这个看起来太好吃了。谢谢你们。
希望你满意哈。
Oh, oh wow, that is absolutely overflowing. It's too much. So we're just gonna put it all in and mix it that way. Look at that, awesome. 鲜椒牛肉, oh yeah. And there's cabbage on the bottom. That is just pure Sichuan. Oh yes. Oh yeah, there we go. Mmm. That is incredibly smooth. Oh, it's just so xiang, a little spicy, gingery, garlicky. There's a bit of spice in the pickled chili, but it's really just smooth and happy and aromatic and makes you feel content. Noodles are chewy. 太好吃了.太好吃了. That is so tasty. If you guys believe this world is a beautiful place full of friendly people and delicious food, you can check out our Travel, Eat, Repeat and our Thai Howl Immersion in the description below. Make sure you leave me a comment and click that subscribe and little bell notification button as well. Thanks so much for watching.